I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. We've been at this location for 38 years fixing classic cars. So if you have a car that's in the 60s, 70s, all the way back to Model A's, we can help you with those repairs. If you're a first-time owner of an automobile that's a classic car, here's a piece of information that you really need to know. Older motors need an additive called zinc. If you don't put zinc in with the oil when you change the oil, the camshaft will actually roll off and you'll burn up the motor in your car. So be sure that you buy oil that has zinc as an additive, and that oil won't work on a new car because it's hard on the catalytic converter, but it's a must for the older cars. This oil supposedly has zinc in it, but I don't trust the amount that's in there, so when I change the oil on my cars, I add a bottle of zinc just to be careful and be sure that I have enough zinc in there to protect the camshaft.